Hi guys, welcome back once again to Jack's Tech Corner. As the video already says, this is an unboxing video, or maybe even unpackaging video, I guess you could call it. So what is it? The title usually gives it away. I actually picked up a new microphone to travel with. I hope this works out okay for traveling. It's a Fifine, F-I-F-I-N-E, F-I-F-I-N-E. Fifine. I don't know, but if you look at the microphone, it looks like one of the Rode blue microphones. Not the blue microphone. The microphones on the stands that so many people use nowadays. I don't recall the name of that microphone for the life of me. But anyway, this mic was $50 on Amazon, so I thought, why not buy it? We have one at work that we purchased through work. That I use, and it sounds really good, so I thought, well, I'm going to buy one of these to travel. So let's just show you real quick what's in the box here. I just slit that little thing. It comes in a really nice package. They give you the directions. There's the directions, all right? There's not much to it. It's a USB microphone. They give you a warranty card in the package. That's really nice. Really nice packaging. Look at the top of that. That is really good looking package. You peel this back. Let's see how we can get this out of here now. I guess it just slides right out. And if you see here, look how this was packaged in there. So even though it's only $50, it's very quality packaging, and I'm pretty impressed with that. So if you pull the microphone out, it's already on the stand. You just flip it over like so. And this is a front address microphone. What I mean by that is there's a mute switch on the front here. This is where you talk into, okay? It does have the various settings where you can talk on both sides of the microphone. Down here at the bottom. And it has an adjustment knob. So you can adjust it. You can plug headphones in the bottom. If you look at the headphones, there's the micro USB jack. So you plug the micro cable in, which is provided. It does not have various settings on it for different front and back. It does have the microphone gain right there, if you can see that. The microphone gain's on the top. The headphone gain's on the bottom. So you can actually turn your headphones up, if you want to listen to yourself as you speak, which is a really good idea when you're broadcasting anything. Even if you're doing a podcast with this microphone. The front of the microphone does have a mute button on it. It turns green when you're speaking, or if you push it, it will turn red to tell you it's muted. It has a very heavy-duty stand. And what I also liked about this microphone is it does come with, let's see if we can get this out of here somehow. It does come with a connector that will allow you to screw it to a boom mount. So you can actually use this, put it on your boom mount. Very handy there. And look how they packaged the USB cable. It actually comes in this little black packaging, which is stuffed down in here. So again, this is just a very quick unboxing, and maybe I'll do some recording with it and put that with this video. I'll see how that goes, but I just wanted to push this out there to everybody and tell you about buying this microphone. Again, it's the Fifine, F-I-F-I-N-E, Fifine. I don't know where that came from, but it classifies as a USB podcasting microphone. So they sound very, very good. It's a very high quality audio. It works with Windows. I know it works with Linux because I use that work on a Linux machine, Linux Mint. And it also works on a Mac. Just plug and play. Plug it in, start talking, and start your podcast today. Thanks for watching this video of the unboxing of the Fifine microphone. And hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button, and you'll be hearing some clips from this maybe at the end of this video. We'll see how this works out. Well, hey folks, welcome back, and this is the audio portion of the Fifine microphone, the F-I-F-I-N-E, Fifine USB microphone. I'm talking to you right now, they're on the webcam, so don't get excited. Don't be like, oh no, Jack, that mic sounds horrible. Well, this is on the webcam, and it's about, I don't know, across the room here from me, 5 feet or so. Anyway, so I got the microphone set up, and I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you with the GoPro exactly how this is set up here. Let me just turn the GoPro on. All right. Okay, get some video here. So this is the Fifine microphone. You can see I have it set on my desk here, about that far away. Me obviously is here on my Linux machine. I don't know how this is going to work out. I hope it's okay. And this is the USB microphone, the camera I'm talking on right there. Okay, crossed a little bit on the tripod, across the room a little bit. So we'll see how the audio is different between these two. I always say when you're making video tutorials, always try to work on your audio. Video is okay, but you know, even the greatest video in the world with crappy audio is going to be a crappy video total. Okay. All right, so this is everything right now. You can see here where the microphone is sitting. I've also tried it here, but the only problem with it here is it limits my real estate a little bit behind here when I'm doing, you know, any tutorial on the screen. So I do like my microphones to be more non-intrusive. I like them to be over kind of to the side, kind of like this, and I'll be talking here. So I'm going to leave it here because I'm going to see what does it sound like over there, and I can use my full screen. Now, maybe I could even move the microphone more over here, you know, sort of like this, and just tilt it in towards me. And that way I don't have to deal with the microphone or with the boom or anything in front of me, and I can just work on the screen and talk to you. So let's go ahead. We're going to switch over to the Fifine microphone, and we're going to go from there. And remember the microphone I was telling you about is called the Blue Yeti. I knew I said blue microphone. The Blue Yeti. This is kind of like a baby blue, but not made by Rode. All right, let's go ahead, or not made by, is it Rode or is it Yeti? I don't know. Let's go ahead. We're going to switch over to the Fifine microphone on USB here. I have it all plugged in and ready to go. Let's see how that audio sounds. And here we go. Okay, now we are on the Fifine, or the Fifine. I don't know why these companies give products names like this. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, everybody knows this microphone. That's pretty popular because it's only $50. So it's going to make a very nice traveling microphone, and it comes with that really nice box I showed you on the opening video there, with the unboxing of the video, or unboxing of the microphone. So I think I'll use that box to travel with this microphone. I'd like to find a little case. Now I'll have to look around to see if I can find a case or something padded that I can keep it in. But right now the microphone is sitting to the right of me, where I showed you on that little GoPro clip. And hopefully I showed the GoPro clip already. Yeah, I'm sure I did. So this is all editing. It's tough when you get multiple cameras and multiple angles, but I'm going to do my very best. So the microphone is sitting to the right of me right now, and we'll see how it picks up. What I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to move it directly in front of me and see how much the audio changes from where it's sitting over there. So I'm moving the microphone here. Okay, so now the microphone would be directly in front of me. The only way I think you can do this without, you know, blocking any of your screen real estate would be to the right of me here. You can't see this monitor over here, but I have one of those monitor trees where I have the monitors up off the desk. To me, I like everything to be eye level when I'm working, when I'm programming or working on servers or switches, or, you know, well, switches, usually use a laptop for that. But if I'm working on any remote systems for any of my clients, I always like to have it a little higher up, just eye level, so it's easier for me to see what's going on without bending your neck one way or the other. So, but I just wanted to see what the audio would be like here, and I thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully now you know what the microphone sounds like. You make your own judgment if you think it's worth the $50. Again, I bought this microphone just to travel with it. I got a XLR microphone that I use on my Mac. I got the Rode Podcaster USB microphone that I usually use on this Linux machine to do tutorials. So, you know, this is just going to be a travel microphone for me, and hopefully it works out okay. I mean, we'll see how the audio turns out. If not, we can turn the gain up. I obviously didn't plug any headphones into it, but you can. You can plug headphones into it, and I suggest to do that until you get your audio levels proper and set correctly. Once you do that, you really don't need to plug them in every time, unless you like to listen to yourself talk, which I can hear myself now, but you'll be able to hear in real time what's coming out of that microphone. So, but thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to these videos, please click the subscribe button. I do mostly 50-50, I guess, or maybe even more, I don't know. But Photoshop Elements video tutorials, photography videos I do on this channel, and I also do on this channel Windows server videos, network administration videos, that kind of stuff. So I got two different crowds that come here to watch this channel. So hopefully you'll subscribe and stick around also. But thank you very much. Give this video a big old thumbs up and spread the news around, and people can see what this microphone sounds like for 50 bucks. Even if you put on a boom, and you spend another 25 bucks for a boom, you can't go wrong. I mean, USB microphones are so easy to use. But thank you for watching, and take care. I'll see you next time here from the beautiful Jack's Tech Corner Studios here in southwestern Pennsylvania. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye for now.